Humanoid robots are finally here. They're walking on stage, cleaning kitchens, working in factories. They look autonomous. They look intelligent. But what if I told you there's a secret behind the screen? Today, we're exposing the invisible workforce behind humanoid AI. The viral clips are everywhere. Robots backflipping, dancing, and performing tasks with uncanny precision. We want to believe the future has arrived, that machines have finally developed the taste and judgment to navigate our world. But for many of these robots, the intelligence isn't artificial, it's assisted. Across the globe, companies are racing to put humanoids in our homes and workplaces. They promise a world where chores are a thing of the past. But building a machine that can actually understand a cluttered room is harder than it looks. Much harder. Take the latest home assistants. On the surface, they look like fully independent learners, but hidden in the fine print is a feature often called expert mode. It's a safety net for when the AI gets confused, which happens more often than you'd think. When expert mode is engaged, a remote human operator, sometimes thousands of miles away, straps on a VR headset. They see through the robot's eyes. They move their own arms, and the robot mimics them in real time. That impressive dexterity you're seeing, it might just be a human driver. Now, this isn't necessarily a scam. Teleoperation is a vital tool for training. Every time a human drives the robot, the AI records the data. It's learning how to navigate the physical world by watching us. But there's a massive gap between learning and doing autonomously. The problem is that our world is unpredictable. A robot might know how to pick up a box, but what if the box is wet or half open? These edge cases are where AI fails and where the human worker, the invisible workforce, steps in to save the day. This is evolving into a new kind of robot gig economy. Instead of gig workers delivering food on bikes, they're logging into robots across borders. It's physical labor outsourced to countries with lower costs, hidden behind a sleek metallic shell. This changes the conversation about privacy entirely. If a robot is in your home, it's not just an algorithm watching you. It could be a person, someone you don't know, looking through your private spaces to help the robot learn how to fold your laundry. Companies say they're working toward full autonomy, and they likely are. But when marketing implies a machine is fully independent while humans are still doing the heavy lifting, trust breaks. We need to know where the human ends and the AI begins. We're not just building robots to replace humans. We're building humans who quietly pretend to be robots. If this helped you see the future differently, subscribe and tell me, would you allow a teleoperated robot into your home? See you in the next video.